This is earthquake damage from the earthquake that happened in 1958. And the mountain, 225 feet of it came down. You can't really see it. That's some of the damage here. But there's more damage along the river that actually turned into a lake called Tilted Lake. And 28 people unfortunately lost their lives on that dreadful night. Even here you can see where the landslides occurred. And
the platform we're standing on is actually from the earthquake.
so this actually was formed by the earthquake when the mountain came down. You see there's an overlook up there. Truly, this was the river, and then it got blocked, and people died, and flooding happened. So what we call beautiful had its destructive energy.